welcome back. When we speak of the camps and how they have been flexing their muscle within Karnataka, well, that seems to be another example that is now coming across as DK Shivkumar, the Deputy Chief Minister, seems to be in Belgavi, and supporters have now been raising the slogans of future Chief Minister. The DK Shivkumar reaching Belgavi today, and his supporters have been chanting slogans at the airport when he reached. Let's take a look. Well, Imran is with us right now. Imran, in a way, DK Shivkumar there seems to be right in the middle of the chanting where DK Shivkumar and DK, as we could hear when it comes to such slogans as the future Chief Minister seems to be raised. And he's there right in the middle of it, accepting the wishes of the people and his supporters.
Well, absolutely nothing can be more soothing for DK Shivkumar's ears that he's going to be the next Chief Minister of Karnataka, and his supporters shouting there as he arrived at the Belgavi session, winter session of the Assembly there, which is going on for 2 weeks, even as the BJP is planning to get out the Vidhan Sabha over the farmers' issues. DK Shivkumar, who was in Telangana yesterday for an event, had arrived today to participate in the winter session. This is the second day of winter session today in Belgavi, and as soon as he landed in the airport, his supporters started shouting slogans saying that DK Shivkumar is the next Chief Minister of the state. In fact, after addressing the press, when the press asked him, is he more active now because the seat is confirmed that he'll be the Chief Minister, to which DK Shivkumar said that, which chair, I don't know anything about it, but it looks like it's a BJP's chair. And he made a comment and he didn't comment anything further on that. We have to wait and see what he says, as BJP also plans to get out the government and the Vidhan Sabha over the farmer issues.
All right. Thank you very much, Imran, for getting us those details. Well, amid the chants of DK Shivkumar as the next Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka has arrived in Belgavi.